everyone, welcome back to Crochet Delight. I'm Barbara, and it's time to reveal the sweet treat that I have for you guys. Now, before I get into that, I have decided that I am not going to do a tutorial on it. Reason being, I've tried to find patterns for it, and I had to make up this pattern. So I actually don't want to give away my pattern for this one, but I will let you guys know you can purchase one. Usually I only sell hats, I undersell my hats for $15. This one specifically will be $25, and you're going to see why in just a sec. So, next on the agenda is a tutorial, and it's a shawl tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to do the granny square shawl. So, take a look at the sweet treat that I have for you guys, and then we'll get right into the tutorial. Alright, so that was the sweet treat. It's a pie hat. You can purchase one for $25. Now, let's get into the tutorial. We're going to do a granny square shawl. Well, it's actually not a granny square, it's a granny triangle. So, here's what you need. You need your scissors, you need your hook, and you need your yarn. Just fit your yarn to the appropriate size hook, and let's get started. So, what you're going to do is you're going to chain 4. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. And what you're going to do is you're going to go back into the first chain from the hook, and you're going to do 2 double crochets. Now you're going to do a chain 2, and you're going to do 3 double crochet back in the very first stitch. So that first loop that you started out with right here, out of the chain 4, that is where you're going to work your 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And the chain 3 at the beginning will count as your first double crochet. So now what you're going to do is you're going to chain 3 and turn your work. Now this, from this point on, you will repeat this row for every single row until you have your shawl the length that you want it. So now what you're going to do is 2 double crochet in the first stitch. Chain 1. Go into the chain 2, that'll always be your center. Do 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet. And that should all be in the same chain 2 space. And that's what you should have. Now you're going to chain 1 again. You're going to go into the beginning chain 3 over here, and you're going to do 3 double crochet. So if I set this down, you're going to see a mini triangle starting to form. That is what you want. So what I just showed you is what you're going to repeat for every single row. So, I'll do another one with you. chain 3, 2 double crochet in the first stitch, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and 3 double crochet in the first chain 3 space. And this is what you should have. So that's what you should have, and that's the pattern repeat. It's very simple. If you guys have any problems with that, just let me know. Alright, that's it. It's a very simple tutorial. Happy hooking, everyone!